They said that closed mouths don't get fed, right? Well, look at this. I'm just about out. And look at these edges. They need help. Yeah, I need to interlock my hair, but I still need help. I still need edge control. Then it's chemical free, so it's pretty good for your edges in your hair. So friend, I need help. You know how you can help me? By clicking that card on this video and purchasing some edge control so that I can buy me some edge control. Me and Angelina, my daughter, we appreciate it. And thank you in advance, love. Take care.